Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your go-to destination for the latest trends and tips in fashion and beauty. Today we are diving into the world of swimming outfits. Whether you are logging by the pool, hitting the beach, or participating in water sports, having the right swim wear can make all the difference. In this video we will explore a variety of swimming outfits, from classic bikinis to trendy one pieces, and provide styling tips to ensure you look and feel fabulous. Let's make a splash and with some stunning swimwears. Swimming outfits are not just about functionality, they are an essential part of your summer wardrobe that can reflect your personal style and boost your confidence. With so many styles, cuts, and designs available, you can find the perfect swimwear to suit any body type or occasion. Whether you prefer a sporty look, something elegant and chic, or bold and colorful patterns, there is a swimming outfit for everyone. Bikinis are the quintessential swimmer choice that never goes out of style. They can come in various styles such as triangle, bento, or high-waisted, each offering a different level of coverage and support. Mix and match tops and bottoms to create a personalized look. One-piece swimsuits have made a huge comeback in recent years. They offer more coverage and can be incredibly stylish with features like cutouts, plunging necklines, and high leg cuts. They are perfect for those who want a blend of modesty and modern design. Tankinis combine the coverage of a one piece with the convenience of the two piece. They consist of a tank top style and separate bottom, providing versatility and comfort, especially for active beach days. Swim dresses offer a feminine and flattering option with the skirted bottom that provides extra coverage. They are ideal for those who prefer a more modest look while still enjoying stylish swimwear. Rash guards are perfect for those who love water sports or need extra sun protection. These tops can be paired with bikini bottoms or swim shorts and come in various designs from sporty to fashionable. While not swimwear per se, cover-ups are essential for transitioning from the beach to the other activities. Kaftans, saroghans, and tunics are stylish options that provide light coverage while keeping you cool and comfortable. Understanding your body type can help you choose swimwear and that enhance your best features. For example, high-waisted bottoms can accentuate your waist, while a halter top can provide support and highlight your shoulder. Don't be afraid to mix and match different tops and bottoms to create a unique look that allows you play with colors, patterns, and styles to find combinations that suit you best. Accessories can elevate your swimwear look. Sunglasses, wide brimmed hats, and stylish beach bags not only protect you from the sun but also add a touch of glamour. Play with colors and patterns. Bold colors and patterns can make a statement. Don't shy away from vibrant hues or playful prints like floral stripes or animal prints. They can add fun and personality to your beach look. At the conclusion, we can say that swimming outfits are the key component of your summer wardrobe, offering both style and functionality. Whether you prefer the classic appeal of a bikini, the modest elegance of one piece, or the versatility of a tekini, there is also perfect swimwear style for everyone. By mixing and matching different pieces, accessorizing, and considering your body type, you can create looks that are uniquely yours and make a splash wherever you go. Thank you for joining at the Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the wide world of swimming outfits and find styles that make you feel confident and chic. Don't forget to like, comment.